beautiful people, welcome back again to my channel. And today I know this video you guys will so love this video so much because you guys have been long awaiting this particular video. Okay, my paper is not paying, my paper is not withdrawing, my paper is not doing this, paper is not paying in Nigeria, paper is not doing this in Nigeria, I cannot withdraw from my TikTok. Why is my TikTok doing this to me? Why will I have coin? Why will I have money and just get stuck in my TikTok account? Here, this, that. I am here to answer all that question. Okay, and if this sounds interesting to you, then you need to stay hooked to this video. Make sure you don't click out of any part of this video so you will not mix the most important parts of this video. I'll be right back. So
Is deeonojas.
guys, welcome back again. So persons will be like, she has been keeping us scenes for this video, and finally the video is coming to your table. Okay, so like I promised in my other video, I am going to be breaking it down. Like, I'm going to be withdrawing live with my PayPal account, so you can be able to see that TikTok is not common. You get paid for your hustle. Okay, so if you're finding difficulties in creating your PayPal account, just check my description box. My number is there. Just WhatsApp me. Tell me any of the difficulties you are having. Then I'm going to be helping you through. Okay, I'm going to be helping you through. That's to be a plus, and you should be telling me thank you. You should be telling me thank you because it's not easy. Okay, it's not easy for me to drop my WhatsApp number there. Anyway, I actually drop it for some of you that are always getting confused. You don't know what to do. You feel like there is no hope. My money is stuck in TikTok. I can't withdraw my money from TikTok. So you can now chat me up. You can WhatsApp me, and then we look for a solution together. Okay? We look for how we're going to be fixing your TikTok account. Not only fixing your TikTok account, and we look for like every other thing. Let's just be party as well. So, and I'm always putting my Instagram handle. Is it here or here? Anywhere of this two. I'm always putting it here. Please do also follow me on my Instagram. Follow me back to back, and I'm going to be putting my TikTok handle as well. Follow me as well on my TikTok. It's also in my description box, so if you just want to click on the link on my description box to follow me directly, you'll be welcome to the family. You'll be welcome to the deeonojas family. Okay, like I always said, withdrawing is possible. Yes, PayPal doesn't work in Nigeria. You can't create a PayPal account in Nigeria. Please, disclaimer sake, for disclaimer sake, this video is not meant to wrong anybody or to tell you that what you're doing on TikTok is not perfect or is too good or stuff like that. And this process I want to use to withdraw, it's my own process that I've been using to withdraw from TikTok. So please, disclaimers, not say tomorrow Sonia did this, I tried tomorrow, it's not working. If it's not working, please, that's why I'm dropping my number there. So chat me up so that we can get started. Okay, so today, how can you withdraw your money from TikTok? Okay, and we only have one method to withdraw from TikTok, which is through your PayPal accounts. Withdraw to your PayPal accounts now. Then how can you now transfer that money to your local bank account? Because some persons pass the test of withdrawing, because I get a whole lot of comment like, okay, my money is stuck in my PayPal and I can't even move it to my local bank. If you are in Nigeria, good news. If I don't know, anyway, but precisely Nigeria, good news for you. You can actually move it to your local bank account, and I'm going to be telling you how I do mine. After withdrawing my money from TikTok, what I do is that I have local market I sell my dollar to. I transfer it to their PayPal, they convert it and transfer straight to my local bank account. So if you're confused about that, that is why my number is still there for you to chat me up so that we can know how to sort out things together. So, but first, before I continue with this video, I'm going to be doing that you can be able to see how I am doing it step by step. Note, my PayPal account is already linked to my TikTok account. So if yours is not linked to your TikTok account, make sure it's linked properly to your TikTok account. And if you've not yet gotten a PayPal account in Nigeria and you're in Nigeria, fine, good news. Still chat me up. Let's know what to do and how you can get your PayPal account. And what else? So nothing or more to say. So let's just go directly into this video, the video that brought everybody here, because some people will be like, let big ono madam finish this thing fast, go to that place, we just want to see, we just want to see if you are withdrawing successfully. Okay, that is why you are here. That is why you are here, and I hope you have not skipped any part of this video. So let's just move straight and let's show you how my withdrawal. Okay.
So guys, I will be withdrawing live now, like I said. So these are my apps. These are the apps in my phone. These are the apps in my phone. Okay. So I'll just head straight to TikTok and click on TikTok app. So when I click on it, just wait for it to open. Okay, this is my For You page. So I just go straight to my profile. I just clicked on my profile now. So once I get to my profile, these are my profile, these are my videos, these are my videos. I have a whole lot here. So once I just click on it now, if you check this edit profile, you already see that all my handles have been linked already. Okay, but that's not the case. All I want to do now is to withdraw. So what are we going to do? Let's click on this three bell icon that you're seeing there. We'll click on the three bell icon that we are seeing here. So I'll just click on it. Then you're going to be seeing manage accounts, privacy, security and login, creator's tone, business suite, balance, QR code, share profile, push notification, live subscription, app language, content preference, live display, ads, digital web link, family pairing, accessibility, free up space, data, report scam, like report a problem, help center, and every other bobo you be seeing here. These are places you can also read their copy line guideline and the rest of that. So since what we want to do now is to withdraw, what we need to do now is to go to our balance. So guys, we are going to be clicking on our balance. So just click on the balance, and you guys, we have to wait for it to open. Okay, still waiting to open. Please, once you want to do this your withdrawal, do ensure that you have a very good connection here. Okay, so as you can see, I have in my life, I still have $42.8 that I've not withdrawn. So I just click on the live, and you'll be seeing some of my transaction. These are my transaction, withdraw, and the rest of that I've done here. Okay, so now what do I need to do? What I need to do, you see, they say daily withdrawal limit remains $1,000 slash $1,000. This simply means I cannot withdraw more than $1,000, but apparently I don't even have up to $1,000 in my account. I have $42.88 in my account. So what am I going to do now? I'm going to click on withdraw. So once I click on withdraw, I'll wait for it to open. Okay, do ensure you have a good data connection. So I don't know why mine is a little bit slow. No, my data connection is very strong here. So let's just wait for it to open, guys. We are still waiting for it to open. Okay, so once it's open, it's going to be showing you something like this. Sorry for all these notifications coming in. I'm using my phone to do the screen recording. So it's going to show you like this. If you check at the top end, you're going to see add a paper account, but I've already added a paper account. That's why my paper account is here. And there's a phone should arrive in 1 business day. So the minimum amount I can withdraw is $1. So how much do I need to withdraw now? I want to withdraw $10. Okay, let's go with $10. So I click on the minimum amount I can withdraw, and I input 10 there, which simply means I want to withdraw $10. Okay. So with this will help me go a long way, because I'm super grateful that at least I'm earning in dollars, and with the rate the dollar is going now, we're going to be thanking God. So after putting my $10, my paper account is already here. Please, if you've not linked your paper account, do ensure to link your paper account. It's not difficult. Once you get to your withdrawals, just click on add. It's going to show you how you can add it. So what do I do now? Then I click on withdraw. I click on withdraw. They said paper of this, withdraw of this, enter incorrect information will result to decline transaction. That is why you need to read carefully and make sure it's your paper account, because once you enter incorrect, it's going to be declined. That is one on that's another good thing with TikTok, anyways. So once I put $10 and I want to confirm, then I confirm to withdraw. So let's wait. So they said withdraw in process. Fund should arrive in 1 business day. This is my withdrawal ID. That is to say, in one within 1 business day, I should be expecting my dollar. So we'll wait for it. When it arrives, I'm going to be showing you in my paper account that it has arrived. So now let's go back. If we go back now, you see what I have left in my balance now will be $32.88. Initially, I have $42.88. So since I withdraw $10, I'm going to be having $32.88. So to let's wait for the phone to get into our paper account, then we'll continue with this videos. Okay guys, thank you. Okay guys, I haven't even gone out completely and I just saw a message now on my mail. So let's just open the mail, which is my paper account mail. So they say PIPO has sent you money, Faith Onoja. Okay, so let's click on it. Opening my mail right now. Okay, then as you can see, they said PIPO has sent you 10 US dollars via TikTok. This is the transaction code and this is the date. Please note, it may take a little while for the payment to appear in the activity section of your account. Then get details if you have any question. So this is my paper account email that is being linked here. So I'll just wait for the money to get into my paper account so we can continue with this video. I hope you're finding this video helpful. I hope you're finding this video interesting. If so, please do ensure to give me a massive thumbs up, share so that other persons can get this video. So wait for it to arrive, then we'll continue. Okay, so guys, welcome back. I just noticed that it has landed in my paper account, so let's just go to paper now. This is my paper app. I just click on the app. Oh guys, okay, initially I was having $10. Okay, this was the $10 I withdraw and I've not even transferred it to my local bank. So this is it. This is on the 5th of January and this one was on the 17th, which is today as at when I am filming this video. So this is it. Payment received from TikTok and the rest of that. So, what are you still waiting for? Are you still doubting? Are you still not doubting? Anything you want to ask, please, like I said, do ensure to ask me in the comment section. That is why your girl is here. So, I hope you find this helpful, guys.
Welcome back, guys. So that is how I withdraw my own money to my PayPal account. Okay, like I said, when I'm done withdrawing to my PayPal account, I sell to local markets and I have 1 or 2 buyers. I sell to local and it's being transferred directly into my bank. Okay, that is how I do my withdrawal. So if you're still having any issue, if you're still having any difficulties, if you're still having any problem, your girl is here. I'm here to help you. Which other video would you like to see about TikTok? Would you like to see how to go viral on TikTok? Would you like to see how to make more coin on TikTok or more dollar or more change on TikTok? Would you like to see any kind of video you would like to see? I think that is why your girl is here. So I would like you to drop it in the comment section for me. If you have any other comments you want me to attend to, please do well to drop it in the comment section, because most of you know that I always take my time and I make sure to respond to each and every one of your questions. That's because I really want you to achieve that thing you want to achieve. Okay, if you've not started doing TikTok, what are you waiting for? Hop in. It's trending now. Hop in now that is hot, now that is starting, now that is boiling. Hop into the TikTok platform and start generating some coin. Okay, so let me know which particular video about TikTok you will also like me to be doing. If you're having any issue, like I've earlier said, just let me know in the comment section. I want to know your thoughts. I really want to know how you feel. I really want to know you. I really want to know you. If you've not followed me for the last time, please, my Instagram, my TikTok, please do well to follow all my handles. Okay, tell me D, I am coming from YouTube so that I can be able to give you a special, Anyway, guys, thank you so much for staying hooked or for staying stick with me to the end of this video. I really appreciate it. It means a lot to me. If you've not subscribed, hit on my subscribe buttons. For my returnees, thank you so much. For the newbies that will be joining us, thank you so much. With no further ado, as we always do it. I'm going to be saying bye for now, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Hope this life withdrawing TikTok from TikTok to PayPal works for you. Thank you. Mwah. Bye.